guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make quick and easy Fiesta potato bowls. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our potatoes. So here my potatoes are all nice and clean. Now we're just going to start by cutting 1/4 of an inch from each side of the potato. So remove the ends, but you just want to have a long rectangle shape of the potato. It makes it easier to cut. Now from all the potatoes, we're just going to cut it in half and then cut them into medium-sized pieces. Okay, so once we have it, transfer it to a bowl. And now the potato, cut it in half, then half again, and now just cut it into small cubes. Okay, now that we have our potatoes, we can get ready to season them. Okay, now we're just going to drizzle our potatoes with our oil. And for our spices, we're going to use paprika, ground cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And as always, the exact measurements will be in the description box. And now just sprinkle it over and mix them until everything is nice and coated. And once we have seasoned our potatoes, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay guys, now here we're going to get our large skillet or pan, set it over medium-high heat and allow it to get nice and hot. And once that's hot, we're going to add our potatoes. Just move them around. Now cover them and allow them to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, we're going to open our potatoes. We're going to move them around and allow them to continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure that you're moving them around constantly. Alright guys, and after 5 minutes, our potatoes should be done. Look for the biggest one and check them. They should be nice and soft. And just like that, our potatoes are done. So we're just going to remove them from the heat. Okay, now to our same pan, we're going to be adding a little bit more oil. And our pan should be nice and hot. So here we're going to add our onion and garlic. And just saute it for a couple minutes. And once done, we can add our meat. I'm using flat, but of course you can always use ground beef. Just make sure to chop it into finely pieces. And here we're going to season with some chili powder, paprika, ground cumin, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Just mix it and allow that meat to cook. Alright guys, and after about 7 minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. And also here you want to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. But just like that, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, making our Fiesta bowls. So to our bowl, we're going to begin by adding our potatoes. I'm going to layer it with our meat, top it with some more cheese. I like to add a little bit of lettuce just to the side. Here I'm going to add my salsa roja taquera along with some sour cream or crema mexicana. I'm going to top it with my pico de gallo, my sour cream, some guacamole. But just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious Fiesta potato bowls. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here is seriously super quick, easy, and so delicious. And of course, the fun part is that you can top it with whatever toppings you like. But this right here, it's honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious Fiesta potato bowls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.